Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, your girl has a Michael Kors bag unboxing. Well, I already took it out the box. But if you want to see what your girl got from Michael Kors, then keep watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah, check out Lori's life.
All right, y'all, I'm back. Now, your girl picked up this bag on Black Friday, and let me tell you the name of the bag. It's called the Lillie Large Logo Shoulder Bag. So, let me show you what the bag looks like. And I'm going to tell you guys, you know it's a story, right? Y'all know it's always a story. So, I haven't even taken it out the little plastic yet. So, y'all, we both going to see it for the first time because I purchased this online. So, I didn't physically see it before buying it. So, let's see. Make sure y'all can see me take all this junk out. I ain't gonna take all the paper off, but just so y'all can see. So this is what she looks like. And it's a shoulder bag. That's the back. And that's the front. But y'all, this is what made me really want this bag. When you open this bag up, let me throw this away. Trash. When you open it up, let me put this stuff out. You can see it has so many little compartments. And I was like, I'm about that life. And I know when you have a bigger bag, you have more stuff for most people, but I don't care. Okay, so when you open it up on this side, you have a whole compartment right there. You can put a lot of stuff in right there. And then you also have another whole side. Can y'all see that? I was trying to see if there's any little zippers or anything. So no, there's no zippers. But y'all, isn't this is what made me really like it. But when you open it like this, it's a whole little zipper area. Which I know is probably full of stuffing. So let me go ahead and take it out. And it's not as big as I thought it was. And this is the inside of the bag. See how much space you have in this bag? And inside this bag, you have 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 pockets. Here's a little pocket right here. 1, 2, a little small one right here. And then there's another little small one right there. Y'all see that? And then there's one. I thought it was another. Yeah. It's some more little pockets down in there. And then you can see you also got a little area where you can zip up some stuff. Y'all know I don't normally do these unboxing Michael Kors things, so I'm not a professional at this. But you definitely got an area where you can unzip it. And then it looks like, yeah, another pocket right there. And then there's another pocket right there. So y'all, that's the bag. Real simple. And now I do want you guys to see the handle because the handle is super cute. Let me take this off. Isn't that cute? I love the chains. And see, it has the Michael Kors logo right there. I thought that was super cute too. So I don't have any bag, anything like this. And let me tell you guys the deed on the bag. Okay, let me tell you the story right quick. So you guys know Natasha Denona had that sale on Black Friday. You buy one eyeshadow, get one free. So I put my stuff in the cart. And then I said, you know, Seth, you got enough eyeshadows. I want a bag. But if I can't find a bag, I'll get the eyeshadows. So on Black Friday, it wasn't even Black Friday, y'all. It was Thursday, Thanksgiving Day. Me, my sister-in-law, and my nieces went to the mall. We went to Michael Kors first. And there was a smaller version of something that was similar to this bag. It wasn't this exact bag, but it was something smaller, similar to this bag. And that's the one that I wanted, but they were all sold out. So then we went to the Coach store. I seen a beautiful bag at the Coach store. Y'all, not only did I see it, I bought it. And it was the bag and the wallet, and it was like 70% off. I think I paid $160 something out the door with them both. Your girl was happy, right? So as I started walking around the mall, I was like, I'm not really feeling this bag. I want the Michael Kors bag. So your girl said, you know what? Hey, y'all, they was in Build-A-Bear making their Build-A-Bears, which I want to Build-A-Bear. Anybody else want to Build-A-Bear? Yes, I'm 49. I want to Build-A-Bear. What you going to do about it? Anyway, so they were in Build-A-Bear. I said, y'all, I'm about to go back to the Coach store, take this bag back, and then go to Michael Kors, because literally they're right next door to each other. And take that Coach bag back and go buy the Michael Kors bag. So y'all had to stand in line, go inside the Coach store, do my return, stand in line again to get to the cash register, do my return, then I had to go stand in line again at the Michael Kors store to get inside that store, and then my bag was gone. Yeah. I walked out of the mall on technically Black Friday with a little bitty bag from the cosmetic store. I felt defeated. Like, what? I didn't even walk away with a bag. So then I said to myself, well, maybe it's meant for me to get the eyeshadow palettes. Then I'll just go ahead and get the eyeshadow palettes. I said, that's what I'm going to do. So if you ask my nieces and my sister-in-law, I was having a whole fit in the car. It was a big, I had made a joke out of how small my Black Friday bag was. Y'all, when I tell you it was a little bitty bag like that, that's all I walked out of the mall with. So I got home, and then I went on the Michael Kors website, and they were having a sale. So y'all, this bag is originally $398. It's originally $398. That's the original price. Your girl paid, with taxes and everything, $159.26. Yes, I paid $159 for this bag. So your girl is very excited about this bag, and I will be rocking it tomorrow. This will be my bag for a minute. And I'm gonna retire my old bag and put it up in the closet. Because one thing I will say about Michael Kors bags, they are well put together. They really are. And I always get mine on sale. You don't have to pay full price for a Michael Kors bag. If you have an outlet near you, if there's a Michael Kors outlet, go in there. They always have sales. So if you're looking for this bag, now this bag I did not see in the outlet, but it is still on sale on the Michael Kors website. It's for, what is it, $148.50? That's what the price is right now. Before I filmed this video, I went to check, so it is still on sale for $148, which to me, you went from basically a $400 bag to $150. You cannot beat it. So y'all, this is the bag, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So to all my new subscribers, I see you, and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Yeah, this is Lori's Life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life. Yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life. Yeah, it's Lori's Life.